Alright guys, let me show you how you can actually install the Apple Beta 26 in your phone. Let me show you how you can install the Apple 26 Beta in your phone. You just need to go to Safari, and going into Safari, you just need to see if you are enrolled in Apple Beta program. You just need to search Apple Beta program, and just click on it and go to the Apple Beta. Once you are in there, you can also see the option and unenroll your device, but we need to enroll the device, so you just need to click on Apple Beta. Once you land to the website, if you are already a member, just sign in, but in your case, if you are not the member, just sign up. I think in my case, I'm going to sign in because I'm already a member. All right, so this let me do enroll in this. Let me do the enroll. So you just need to scroll down and just agree the agreement for enrolling into the beta. So yeah, this is something you just need to do in the first step, and once you are done with that, just close this out and just go to the settings. Once you are in the settings, you just need to go to general and then software update, and in that case, you can also see automatic updates. It's on, but the beta updates are off. So for installing the 26 variant, you just need to go to this option, beta updates, and you will see that there are three types of beta coming up, because you are right now at 18.5, so you are also seeing 18 beta. But as of now, because iOS 26 is the latest beta we have, so we are just going to check this out. Once you are going to check this out, you just need to go back, and it will get the refresh and trying to fetch any update there. Just wait for a while to let phone to check from the Apple servers that if there are any updates for beta, because you have selected the beta update for 26. So this is just going to refresh anything out. Yeah, so here you can see Apple have actually released the beta 3 as well. So as you can see, the iOS 26 beta 3. So if you can click on update now, it will start downloading and will going to start install once it's download. And if you're going to update later tonight, you just need to click on update later tonight. It will download and let you select whenever you are going to install this out. So here is the complete guide of how you are going to install the Apple iOS 26 beta in your iPhone. Thank you so much. For any updates and for any confusion, you can just write me the comment and I will reply you out. Thanks.